she's my marketing person here. I don't have a clue. So what do you do? Okay. But first we're going to talk about that'll be the last thing.
Oh, okay.
What you've been doing with your life.
Okay.
Everybody's so interested.
My boring life.
Hi everybody, good morning. This is Jean here with my friend Jen.
Hey!
From Truelove Quilts for You. As you know, I have a store on Etsy. That was my last video. I have a store. I sell my quilts, but today we're not talking about that. We are talking about Jen and how you're getting on with your new house.
Yeah, I finished my quilt top. This is all I've done.
Yeah,
but
I know. What the? You're not, are you selling?
it's hot!
Yeah, it's hot. Oh, your house doesn't have air conditioning.
It doesn't have central air.
Oh, yeah.
I need a window unit in my dining room.
Yeah, but it's real old.
Yeah.
Did they have a window unit?
Not in every room.
In the dining room?
Not in the dining room.
Oh,
no.
and that's the hottest room.
Yeah, it is hot. It's hot.
And that's where you're sewing.
That's where I'm sewing.
Yeah,
It's
so
really great in the
refer.
winter.
Yeah. Oh, will it be cold, I wonder?
I don't think I'll mind that.
Yeah.
It's the heat.
It's the heat that's getting you. Anyway, this was
when you're wrapped in fabric.
Yeah, I know. This was the feed sack fabric that Jen got inherited with her house. That when you got it, look
so
at
we just made some.
Oh, look how pretty.
And I did it till I ran out. I made it as big as I could make it using all of the colors equally.
Okay, you still have, because you had a pack of.
So I still have some left, but I'm out of like certain ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you're new to this video, Jen has moved into an old farmhouse, and the previous owners left a stack of this fabric cut into squares of original like 1930s. You can tell, can't you?
Oh yeah.
The fabric,
That's
feed sack fabric, about this many, and Jen decided just to stick the squares together and make a beautiful patchwork quilt.
Yeah.
So did the owners come back?
They did.
Oh,
yes,
that's so
I have
cool.
all the history on the house.
Ah.
They have verbally back to like William Penn and documented back to like really far, not quite that far. But
Wow, that is so cool.
It's very cool.
So like
Pictures of
George
the house.
Washington slept there type of thing?
Probably. I don't know.
Well, no, it's like
Yeah.
all of these houses in Bucks County.
Yeah.
The farmhouses in Bucks County, like there's like literally George Washington slept here, or the battle happened here, you know.
Yeah.
So,
So
and
it's crazy.
Yeah, that's so cool. Do you love living in it?
Yeah,
in your
I
old
do.
house?
I do.
Yeah. And
I
it's
love
the
it.
family?
Yes, everybody's settled.
cool.
And,
Aw.
my in-laws are in. They're settled.
Yeah,
So.
I spoke to Jen's mother-in-law last night, and she's just loving not having a 2,400 square foot home.
Oh yeah.
She's like, it's so much nicer. They're in the carriage house.
Yeah. So it's quite smaller than what they were used to.
but she loves it. She loves
That's
it.
good.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So that's Jen's quilt. What else? Oh, your block party. Oh, yeah. Are you going to get back to sewing?
I am.
I know. She's quite desperate. I was thinking about that. I was thinking, like, there your Juki sits, and you haven't really sewn
So
a lot.
this.
Yeah.
It takes some people years to make a quilt top.
It does. Yeah, but you were making 1 in 2 days. Anyway, so you're going to get back to the quilt.
Yes, and we're going to the quilt show, so
yes.
I will be inspired by something
Yes,
there.
yes. September 13th. This is just a little, hello
Day trip.
little day trip. September 13th
It's Friday, right?
Friday at the Oaks Convention Center. No. Oh yeah, the Expo Center in Oaks, Pennsylvania, right out on off the turnpike. So we will be there. Be square. So Jen and I, tall Jen, and look, taller me. I put on high shoes today. What's next? Oh, our block party. I have finished all of our blocks.
Oh my word, there's so many.
I know. Where are you up to? Like, this is Jen.
I have this many. I'm still doing it. I'm just.
Yeah, of course.
I'm gonna do it this winter.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, when you're warm. So yeah, we have finished block number. This is block number 42. Look
Oh,
at that.
I love that one.
Yeah. Our Dresden plate.
A mini.
Yeah, mini Dresden plate. We just finished that. So,
Beautiful.
For you people who are following, I am going to be doing a video next week or so. The sashing and the cornerstones. I am using a red sashing and
Pretty.
white cornerstones. On my last block party, my quilt, I used white. White sashing, but I thought I'm going to change it up a little bit, make it a bit more dramatic. So that's our blocks, our 42 blocks.
Wow, so many.
I know, it is a lot. It is a lot.
I can't wait to see how many people
I know.
like on time finish.
What do you mean?
Like when you post your picture of what your final thing is, how many you get right away of finished?
Only about, I would say, 10 or 12 people.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's
it's awesome. Yeah, it's fantastic. And then I have gotten, excuse me, I have gotten a lot of comments about the block party. Like people have been busy, they've not been well. Again, the summertime has been busy for us. We just had another. As you know, if you've been following, we just had our 15th grandbaby.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah, and 2 months ago we had our 14th grandbaby, and in January we're having our 16th.
It never ends.
It's Truelove. There's going to be all over the place. We're all going to be related
one day.
Seriously, it's so weird. So anyway, if you watched my video on my Etsy rant video, I had mentioned money, right? And people get squirrely when you start mentioning money. Jen can attest to the fact that about a month, 5-6 weeks ago, I said, I was just looking on YouTube and I thought, I saw somebody do this, what I'm going to say, and I thought, I want to do something special when I hit 20,000 subscribers.
Which she has.
Which I have, last week. A week or so ago.
Yeah.
And I'm up to 20,300 and odd today. So people are subscribing fairly quickly, which is so awesome. Do people actually watch when they subscribe?
Yes.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
They do.
When you subscribe, that means every time you post a video, that person gets notifications on their phone, their email, whatever.
That's a pain.
So they're interested in knowing when new videos are posted.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I don't get 20,000 comments. No, of course not.
Well, they might not get to watch every video, but it means they care enough to get notified every time there's a video.
Oh, that's so nice.
Sweet.
Okay, and that's 20,000
people want to know when you post a video.
That's so cool. So 20,000 people have come and gone. Sorry, folks. But what happened was, about 2 months ago, I said to Jen, I'm going to give a quilt away. And I thought, well, I talked about it with Jen, I talked about it with my family, and they're like, well, what quilt are you going to give away? And I thought, I have many quilts in my inventory. But I thought, you guys, if you have been watching me, if you like,
which you have,
you had seen me make this quilt quite recently. And again, I don't know everybody's tastes, and Jen, you haven't seen this. You haven't seen this quilt?
I haven't.
Jenny has
I'm a terrible friend.
She's a terrible friend. And you love it.
I love it.
I know. Jen's like, oh, I love this quilt. I'm like, well, you can't have it. Actually, you have to do what? So I said.
Maybe I could.
Yeah, because what happens? I don't know how to do this. Oh, show the quilt.
Okay.
This is the quilt I'm giving away.
This fabric is just so woodlandy.
Do you remember this quilt?
It's a neutral woodlandy quilt.
Do you remember this quilt?
It's beautiful.
Yeah, you guys remember.
With flying geese.
Yes.
In different directions. Wow.
Yeah.
The turning flying geese.
Yeah, it's that pattern, the Villa Rosa pattern. If you go back, you'll see me making this quilt.
And her circle free motion quilting that I never perfected.
Yes, yeah. I like my circle.
That is hard. That's hard.
No, that's easy.
Hard for me.
Yeah, easy for me.
Yeah.
But you do your cursive ease.
I do cursive ease.
Jen does cursive ease.
I'm trying to patent that.
Yeah. No, it's been done. It's been done. So this is the quilt I'm going to give away.
Oh, this is the back. It's even beautiful in the back.
I know you like
her stuff is equally pretty on the back and front.
I do like to.
She really uses exquisite fabric on the back.
So this is the quilt I'm going to give away to one lucky winner. Now,
what do we have to do, Jean?
Okay, I don't know. So
we have to like.
So she's my marketing person here. I don't have a clue. So what do?
You got to like this video. Give it a thumbs up.
Okay.
You have to comment down below something nice, hopefully.
Something nice, yeah.
Yeah, something nice. Let's add that.
Yeah.
And hit the share button below.
Yeah, I didn't realize you can share a video, so we just went and...
So you're going to like it, thumbs up, comment below, and hit the share, which is the arrow pointing away. And if you do all those 3 things, your name will be entered into a fishbowl that will be randomly drawn.
Now, I will do that. I will take note of all of the people.
Let's do that live.
Who've done that.
That'd be awesome.
Oh yeah, and then we will live. Oh no, I don't want to do it live. No,
live?
No. People say do things live. I'm like, no, I don't even know what that means.
It just means we don't edit it or cut it or whatever.
Oh no, actually we don't edit or cut anything anyway.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll do it. Maybe we'll do it live, and then we will do that when I hit.
What do you want to do?
21,000.
21,000?
21,000.
That could be like a day, but
No, it won't be a day. But like,
could be.
are we busy though? Like with the DJ's thing coming up?
Oh. Like it might be a week. You could hit it in a week.
Okay.
We'll just do another video when she gets.
I will do it. Yeah, I will do a video when I will do a video. Hey Parker. Come here. Come say hello. Can he come?
Parker,
say hello?
yes. Parker lost all his teeth.
Look, here's Parker.
Just cover your shirt. It has your school name on it.
Yeah. This is Parker. This is Jen's youngest.
With no teeth.
With no teeth. Look at that.
He's like a little grandpa.
Oh. So, okay, go ahead.
All right, we love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now.
So anyway, we love you, Parker. This is the quilt you can win to do all that. I hope you love the quilt. If you don't, you can
spare fabric.
you can give it away. I had said to Jen, she's like, oh, we bought this.
I don't remember this.
I bought a kit at the last quilt show. No, 2 quilt shows away, and this was in it.
Wow.
And
if I would have sold this fabric, I would.
Yeah, I don't. It's like bear.
I love bears.
Yeah.
And this has like bears.
And this is your colors. You like these colors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. I like the quilt, and it had been for sale, but I'm going to give it away to some fortunate lucky winner.
Did you take it off your Etsy shop so somebody doesn't accidentally buy it?
I have to do that. Oh, I have to deactivate it. Oh yeah,
That'd be hilarious. You'd be like, oh, I can't sell it.
I can't sell it to you. Somebody just bought it. Sorry. But anyway, that's that. So we're going to be giving this quilt away.
Isn't she so generous? That's so awesome.
Well, I was saying before, I tell people about my Patreon account. I have been busy making videos, just small videos, little gifts and presents for my patron people who have been very, very kind and generous to me. But even before that, I thought I had seen somebody give something away.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh, I can give it away, but what do I give away?
Yeah, this is amazing.
And I thought I'll give away a quilt. And I gave away, 100 quilts. In my lifetime,
yeah, easily.
I gave away so many quilts.
5 to me.
I gave about 9 to you. Excuse me, but who's counting? No. And now you can make quilts, but you're not sewing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am sewing.
No,
just slower.
Just slower. She's made a little
slower than you.
Cheesy little top. No, it's nice.
I've sewn squares together.
Yeah.
On a very
expensive machine. You got to get your money's worth.
I know. I got to get moving.
Yeah, I know. Seriously.
I know.
Yeah.
Everywhere I walk by, I'm like, I got to get.
I thought that. I woke up thinking, oh, Jen has to start sewing.
So I'm gonna this winter.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course. Because you're not my student anymore.
I am still.
No, you're not.
I have to do this.
Oh, yeah.
For sure, I'm a student.
So you have to look. She has to look up the instructions and the cutting instructions.
Yes, yeah.
To do about what 40 blocks.
Yeah, I have 12. I think.
So yeah. So I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to be doing my block party.
The smaller blocks are they work up a little, like, because you're going smaller.
Yes.
It's not as fast as when you're doing like giant blocks, like last time.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And somebody said, "Oh, why don't I do next year's block party?" I don't want to still do this. 6-inch blocks.
Oh wow.
I'm like, oh mate.
How many would you need?
I know.
80? Yeah. Wow.
6-inch blocks. And quilting is like a lot, like 6-inch blocks. But I don't know. I don't want to do this again.
Yeah.
Or do you want to do it again? I don't want to do it again.
I'll do whatever you do.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know what to do. Oh, we need to do our challenge thing. I was thinking that.
Oh yes, that I want to do.
I know. And other people, but I don't have a clue what to do. Anyway.
Okay, so I was thinking, do you get these Martelli emails? They send packs of fabrics out, and they're kind of cheap, like
okay,
$20 or something,
Right.
but like the different patterns. So I didn't know if there would be like a kit like that. It's not a kit. It's just the same fabric. Something easy, maybe not Martelli, maybe somebody else, that we could all purchase the same fabric.
Well, that would be the whole point of the challenge.
Right.
We're purchasing the same fabric.
Unless you give us the fabric.
Well, I'm not giving you fabric.
No. You make fabric kits. We purchase the fabric kits from you, and then we make whatever we
That's
want.
too much work.
That's a good idea.
Well, you can do that. Again, this is my PR. This is my PR girl. Jen
We'll
can
get
do
back to
that.
you on
Yeah. Yeah. Right back at you. So anyway, you can win your quilt.
Martelli can do it. You can do it.
Martelli is a huge company. I'm like me in my sewing room.
Pensacola.
I know they are.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're big bucks. Cut me a break. Yeah,
Right.
that's not me. It's just you and me. It's just us. Even me, because she's
And
like,
most of the
she's
time
bad on me. Seriously, Jen, get your act together.
All right, I am.
Okay, and don't, and you're
I'm
not
not poison ivy.
Oh yeah, I know. She's weeding. Look at this. She never got poison ivy.
I got stabbed with a chicken wire.
Yeah, but you got to be careful. It doesn't like go to your bloodstream.
Yeah, I know.
And like you die.
I'm a tetanus shot, so I'll be alright.
Oh, okay. If you do, you can leave me your Juki machine.
Oh, I will.
Yeah. If I die, she gets all
Use this video as my will. It goes to Jean.
And me too. If anything happens to me, Jen has first dibs.
Oh.
So anyway, but you're not getting the quilt. So Maud, if you can get this quilt,
Yes.
if you like it. If you don't like it, don't like it.
Everyone's gonna like it. It's beautiful.
I don't know. I don't love it.
If you don't like it, unsubscribe.
Yeah.
No.
No, don't. Shut up.
Okay, I'm just kidding.
So anyway, this is the pretty quilt. That's all for today, folks. Yeah, that's it. Sign off and start. I have to go and deactivate this from my Etsy.
All right.
And visit me on my Etsy. Look at my stuff. By all means, and become a patron. Blah blah blah. You know the spiel.
Like, comment, subscribe to win this.
To win this. Okay. See you later, folks.
Bye.
Bye.